Yo, what's up, guys? This is your boy Alan, and
I'm Josh.
And what episode are we on now?
12? 12?
Yeah, boy, you got a good memory. We do so many things. And you know, guys, I know we're putting out a lot of episodes, but this is real shit. I mean, it's dark. I mean, it's cold. I have a blade. I mean, shit can go down fast. You know what I mean? Go wrong. So, you know. And we're probably gonna stop soon on these. I don't want to overload you guys. We'll probably mix it up to be something different for you guys. I know you're probably getting tired of seeing us in the fucking woods. But for now, we'll just walk around and see what's going on. And I think I'll let the cameraman lead. Go ahead and lead.
Wait, hey guys. So we're gonna have a little bit different situation. Alan, you're gonna be the cameraman. Fucking get the fucking thing off.
Me?
Yeah. You.
Okay.
Fucking crying. Here.
Hold this.
Right,
Hey
here.
guys, sorry about the inconvenience.
Switching.
Right.
All you gotta do is make sure that thing's pointed to the right place.
Oh, shit. Alright, go ahead, Josh. Put it away. We are following Josh now. He is the man. And I am the cameraman.
I have no clue.
Let's go left.
What?
Yeah. Up to that way.
But didn't we try to go this way one day? And we couldn't,
We'll make it. Just keep on
Are
going.
you holding that up?
Yeah. Keep on going straight like that way. Huh?
Just walk right there.
Yeah.
Where? You want to go?
You want to go left.
That way.
You want to keep on going left. Much as left as possible. That's where we came, fellers. And, this way, Josh. Be the man.
That's our best way.
I'll follow you.
In the long run.
On the camera. On the cameraman. Keep on going. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not very patient. Man. There we go. Yeah.
Trail continues that way.
Just came from that crap. Not fun at all, but enjoyable to watch. Pain.
Pain?
Where's Josh?
My nose is running, I'm sorry.
It is. I see it.
Can you see it?
Yes, kind of. Josh, right there. Come right here. Sewer system. That or dead animal? Actually, it smells like shit. But one of us might have stepped in. Possible.
Hey,
What?
just one I just saw something glowing. There's like... I really swear.
Oh, fuck it. Come on. What?
Why are you walking in the back?
Because I'm the cameraman. I gotta watch every part.
But you're holding it to... What?
Motherfucker.
What time we got? Hey, what's the time that's at the top?
24.
24? 4 minutes, come on. Or a little bit more than that if we have to.
I'll follow you, Jim Mudcraft. Good shit, pisses me off. I have to step on your freaking hands, man. Son of a bitch. Hey, take it.
Up to you, bro.
Where am I at?
I don't fucking know. I have no clue where we're at. Going this way.
Can't see. Ow, fuck, it's stabbing me in the face. Was that the knife?
Is that the knife?
I had you fucking with you. What the fuck's a knife? In my hand, man. Oh, what the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, I got straight on the face and I thought it was me with the knife. Anyways, what the fuck are you doing? What's the time at the top?
19.
19?
I'm just saying 22. I'm the worst cameraman. Take it. Jackass.
Don't do what I do accidentally and push that button.
And I'm holding the other side.
I'm about to stab myself in the leg.
Huh? Oh, sorry.
You're trying to sling shit in my face?
Get off of me, man. You've been riding my ass ever since I got this camera. 9 minutes ago, you son of a bitch.
Oh.
Riding my ass. Yeah, so what if I'm holding it backwards or crooked or upside down? She said we made it to civilization. Fuck yeah! Come on. Ah, shit, my hands are frozen.
It'd be sweet if we can walk them through the town.
We're gonna have to do something about this cold, man. My hands are about to freeze off.
My feet are about to freeze. Here you go, bro.
Hold the camera.
Cameraman should have the shit anyway.
This is.
Hey guys, while he's switching
shit.
some shit,
Snow got in it.
while he's switching, I'm gonna be sitting here talking to you guys. Are you having fun putting that on?
This shit's. You gave me the wrong glove. You. I'm only using my left hand. Come on. Shit.
You almost stabbed me.
I'm sorry. I'm cold.
Okay, here.
Hold this.
Put him on. What?
Now hold that.
What's going on, guys? Made a little bit of a... You fucking gave me the knife. I wish you would have told me that. What if you would have cut me? Huh?
I'm
What if you would have cut me?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
20. No, 20 minutes.
20?
20 minutes.
How much better?
Go ahead. Keep on going. Carry on, soldier.
This?
I don't need that. I only need this.
You said both your hands were cold.
Well, yeah, but this one's more colder because it's up in the air.
Okay, wait a sec. I'll hold this, and since the blade is so fucking cold, I'll hold it.
That's where it came from, guys.
All the way back to there.
Yeah.
Come on.
I do not want to go to the civilization, though.
I'm gonna show them what it's like to be a
Yeah, I don't know what that
If I
is.
can remember what the fuck that is.
Gas station's over there.
Is that Lowe's?
No. I don't know where we're at. Let's go one of these ways, man. Let's go
No,
right
dude.
or left.
I don't know. See that? You can't tell me you're curious.
Oh, I've been through there, you know?
That's Arby's over there.
That's not Arby's.
That's hotel.
Yeah, that is Arby's. Oh, wait a minute. It's a motherfucking gas station, man.
The gas station?
I don't fucking know.
So you want to go this way or not?
We'll go there, but we're not going out now. You know, just look. Quick peek. Quick peek.
Oh God. Okay, it's gonna get really thin up here.
Oh shit.
I think we can do it.
Well, you think? And off camera.
What?
Nothing.
You're not coming?
Yes, I'm coming. Keep on going. I don't have to be on your ass, you know?
Yeah, you do. Don't you? Do you?
Not really.
Oh, fuck you, blinded.
You're blinded. Oh, shit. Shit, stuck on the fucking twig. Come on. It's been 19 minutes. gonna have to stay low. We gotta give a shit about this crap. Get off of me! Oh, shit. All I can see is darkness. Darkness. Oh, my head is so stuck. What is that?
Parking lot.
For what?
That place.
Oh, the blue house.
Go on.
The blue house.
It's in the episode right here.
Alright. Go ahead and push this.
Well, next episode, guys.
Oh, hold it, you hold it.
Why am I
Hold
shouting this down?
Go ahead, you do it.
Well, next episode, guys, we're going to be heading for a life on the town. Walking down the highway, probably. So, we love you, and we'll see you on next episode. Alan, say your deuces.
Hello? And I didn't do it.
He means goodbye.
Who?
Goodbye. What?
I don't know. I don't want nothing.